We're at a natural spring that the horses use. It's just basically this pristine area with all kinds of amphibians and clean water. Horses use this. This is where they're watering. Another example of just how it all works perfectly. We don't see muddy water. We don't see a mess. The horses use it sparingly and just as needed. They don't wallow in it like cattle do. We have a little patch of wildflowers. There's hundreds of wild bees here collecting nectar and pollen. And the fact that we have so many wild bees up here in the wilderness where the horses are is a really great indicator of the health of this ecosystem because of the presence of the horses.